a break, old bones. We train really hard.
You and Macy?
Mm-hmm.
Is that old Bones there?
Yeah. Yes, do you like your new toy? Here, Mace. Let me show her new toy. Oh, here's her new toy that it looks like. Here's what it looks like. See, like this. It wasn't like that when it was all her.
During his recent stretch, the Heat coaches and players have all talked about defending him. How is Durant handling the focus?
You know, he's a little bit sheepish about it, Matt. In fact, he said as he walked away from the throng of media that asked him repeated questions about LeBron this and LeBron that, he said, what is this, Foreman against Ali? I said 3 times when LeBron has won the MVP, Durant has finished second. Kevin Durant even was the second pick in the NBA draft, Matt. He says he's tired of finishing second.
He just wants to finish number 1 in that game, get the championship ring. Mark, we've seen LeBron take it upon himself to go 48 minutes on the star player. He shut down Russ in the postseason pass. Earlier this year, he took Paul George, took that challenge. Do you expect to see more of the same tonight?
Well, I don't think anybody can last 40 plus minutes against Kevin Durant. And with all due respect to LeBron, spending all that time on